Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when no sound plays after you connect your earbuds with a phone. Firstly, I recommend it to restart your audio player. Let's say you listen to music in SoundCloud, just remove this application from the cache and then open it again. Also, I recommend it to go to the App Store or Play Store and check if you have the latest version for your audio player application and update if you haven't. Next step is to check if you have the latest software version for your earbuds. So open EARFUN Audio app. Of course, you need to add your earbuds to the application, then tap on them at the device list, scroll down, and at the bottom we have version line. Tap at this line. Check for updates. It's that I have the latest software version. If you haven't, in this window you can update it. Next step is to restart your phone. I use these earbuds with a phone, so I need to restart this phone. If you use it with a tablet, you need to restart your tablet. And the last one is to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to put your earbuds to the charging case. Now, do not close the case. Inside the case we have a connection button. You need to press and hold it for at least 10 seconds until you will see that the LED light flashed 3 times. So press and hold. Here we go. Now you can release your finger, and then we need to reconnect them with the phone. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget this device and forget device. After that, if you have Android, click Pair New Device button at the top, but not all Android phones have it. Maybe you need to just go back and return to the Bluetooth or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. After factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so you will see them at the device list. Just tap on them, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!